What's up everyone, in this video I'll show you how to convert a Canva website or even a Canva design to HTML. Now first let's go ahead and view like a design that I was working on. Of course you can go ahead and create a new design or choose the design type that you want to work on from whiteboard, presentation, social media and others. So I'm going to go ahead and open this design, and let's say you want to embed this design into your HTML website. Now what you want to do after of course finishing the design, editing all the aspects, adding all the graphics and making it to your liking, is to click here on share. And then here you can go ahead and click on see all, and you want to click on the embed option right here and click on embed once again. And here is the HTML embed code that you want to go ahead and copy in order to embed it into your website. Now the other option that I want to show you in this video is that how to convert a whole website created in Canva to HTML. So for that, I'm going to go to home, and I'm going to open this website that I was testing a project on. So click on it. Now, obviously, you can create your whole website from scratch using Canva and edit all the graphics right here, all the aspects and elements of the website, adding text, adding links and everything. And once your website is ready to be published, simply click on share right here, and then once again see all. And now you can share the website right here. And now you can go ahead and check all the options, resize on mobile to make it mobile device friendly, include navigation menu and the website URL. You can even get your domain, add your domain name if you have, or get a new domain, and publish your website. Now you can go ahead and view the publishing settings if you want to. And once it's finished, once you've gone all and edited all the settings, you can go ahead and publish your website. Now, alternatively, you can go ahead and press the publish website button here at the top instead of going to the share menu, and it'll give you the same options.